सदर जमहूरिया रामनाथ कोविंद ने श्रीनगर में यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर के 19वें सालाना जलसे तकसीम नज़र से खिताब किया। उन्होंने कहा कि तशद्दुद कश्मीरियत नहीं हो सकती और ना ही ये उसका हिस्सा है। उन्होंने नौजवानों पर जोर दिया कि वो अमन और बकाया बाहम की अपनी रिवायात को परवान चढ़ाएं। सदर जमहूरिया ने कहा कि कश्मीर की तहजीब और रूहानी असरात के निशानात और अलामात मुल्क के चप्पे चप्पे में पाए जाते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि ये रियासत सबके लिए एक उम्मीद की किरण है।
It is this belief in equality and capabilities that needs to be nurtured among all women so that we can successfully build a new India, an India which is at the forefront of the Comity of Nations. Building our human resources and infrastructure are the stepping stones to this higher ideal. Ladies and gentlemen, the cornerstone, as you know, is the first stone set while building the foundation. Education in that sense is the cornerstone in the foundation of our nation building. India has always prided itself in placing knowledge above all. We had great traditions in learning, and Kashmir too has been home to some of them. A need was felt to align modern education with our rich heritage in such a way that it would help us respond better to the challenges of the 21st century. With that vision, a new national education policy was announced last year. I had the opportunity to discuss the subject with the governors of all states, lieutenant governors of union territories, and vice chancellors of central universities in virtual mode. I also addressed a conference on implementation of national education policy in Jammu and Kashmir in virtual mode last September, which was referred to by Honorable Lieutenant Governor.
Dynamic Success the Junior College. Enter to win. Masters in MPC and BPC. Integrated coaching for NEET, IIT, JEE. Separate block for girls. Better coaching, better planning, better environment with better results. Opposite Madanapet Mandi, Saeedabad, Hyderabad. Phone 04029701124. An Institute of Success Schools.